So now let's actually cover very important part of your Udemy course, the part that will actually make or break your Udemy sales in the future. And I want you to really listen to this very carefully, because this will decide whether your course will be sold or not. This is the part that actually decides whether your courses will be sold or whether it will fail miserably. Because remember, courses are still products. These are digital products that you need to sell. And think of the landing page as a wrap. If it's not wrapped well, it does not look good, then it won't sell. So we are going to now be covering the course landing page and wrapping basically our product into really nice packaging. And I'm going to be explaining how we can do good course title, good course subtitle, and how to craft the course description. Now, let's cover the course title. The course title is extremely important because it decides where your course will appear in search and how your course actually perform. So in this case, you need to be thinking about one thing, is what your course is about, meaning that you need to give the course title exactly what your course is all about. And second is how your course will be searched. And in order to, your course to be searchable, your course needs to have words in it that people are searching for, i.e. keywords. So you need to be putting keywords in your course title and your course subtitle, but mainly, most importantly, in the title, to make your course searchable. Otherwise, you will have to rely on the organic discoverability, meaning that Udemy should push it your course themselves and should try to do things like that. Basically, it will make your work much longer, and your course will most likely be buried under the tons and tons of other courses and under the sense of time. So you don't need this to happen. But the question will arise, how can you find the keywords that people are looking for? My friends, this is extremely simple. And let's get back to our old friend called Udemy Marketplace Insights. So first things first that you will need to understand is what topic you're creating your course in. And most likely, if you are here, you already did a search of Marketplace Insights and know exactly what topic that people are interested in, or basically what topic your course is being created in. And when you scroll down a bit, you will see fancy graph right here, this fancy table kindly provided to you by the Udemy themselves called top. Let me highlight it a bit more. And this is right here, keywords. This is your key to success on Udemy. As you can see, 18% of these course sales are coming from this search. So basically, you can't just directly tap into this 18%, and Udemy is kindly providing you the keywords that people are actually looking for in order to buy this course. And as you can see, it's giving you the top search keywords. 4% from the conversions are actually coming from the word Udemy. And what did we do right here in this course? We are using Udemy, and not just that, we'll also use Udemy Course Creation long tail keyword. And as you can see, we have Udemy Course Creation long tail keyword. We are covering two keywords right here. The Udemy, which we have like twice here, and Udemy Course Creation. And we're also covering course creation itself, which is right here. As you can see, we're covering 3 keywords with just 3 words, basically. And other keywords what I'm using is, again, Udemy Instructor Guide. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I think people might be looking for the Udemy Instructor Guide keywords as well. And this 3 words basically are explaining exactly what this course is. It is exactly what this course is. That's why I made this one. And as for the word unofficial, Udemy is actually requiring to put this word unofficial for the, basically Udemy courses about Udemy that is not directly endorsed by Udemy themselves. So that's why I'm putting it here as well. Then I'm using the same exact thing in here in the course subtitle, using the keyword Udemy. I actually use it 3 times, but in 3 different places. Basically, create online course on Udemy, full guide on Udemy course creation, and Udemy instructor career. I just decided to put in the keywords, maybe because people will be looking for these keywords. Basically, that's what you need to be looking for. You need to find and understand what word people will be looking for in order to find your course, basically your keyword. And the best place to find those keywords are your marketplace insights. So that's where you should be going and crafting your course title from. But now the $1 billion question: what about the course description? Course description is place where people are actually breaking down and have no idea what they need to do, and you're just getting stuck and thinking, and they don't know what to do. But I have a solution for you, and it is a tool called Writer, the tool that I'm using myself. And this is basically an AI writer that helps you to write anything that you want. And you know what? Let's just start writing. And you know what? I actually tested the text, the Command C, this one, and it's actually created everything that I need for me right here. But you know what? I'm gonna create a new document just for you. I'm gonna just call it test. I'm gonna create it. And you know what I will do is I want to create a product description. I completely deleted this. I don't want this. And you know what? I am going to select a tone. Basically, first is English. We are creating the course in English. Then we're gonna select the tone, basically tone of our description. Then we're gonna go to informative. Then we're gonna call it Udemy Instructor. Basically give you exactly the same title, but you need to put it within the 25 characters. And then about the course description, let's craft a very short and very crude description, just explaining to AI what this product actually is. Here's a short description that I actually crafted, basically explaining to AI basically what this course actually is. This is the course about creating the courses on Udemy and being a Udemy instructor. Here you will learn everything that you need to know in order to create an amazing Udemy courses from absolute zero. And we're gonna press write for me, and let's see what the writer will actually create for us. Sometimes it might get stuck, sometimes it will continue. So you are a passionate an educator, skilled course instructor. You want to share your knowledge and help people to learn. Udemy is perfect place for you. With the Udemy, it is possible to make money from any course you create from any location in the world with no quota restrictions. In this course, I will teach you how to make your first Udemy course from scratch, sharing the knowledge to become you know what, we're gonna continue. We're gonna select this one and just make it finish this one because it just stopped writing because it hit its maximum character limit. And yeah, successful Udemy instructor. Well, that's actually pretty perfect. You know what? No, we are going to be deleting this one, and I'm gonna press write for me again, and let's see what AI can come up with again. You want to make a living teaching online? Now you don't have to. Not only will our course teach you how to be an instructor, but you will also have skills to create your own Udemy courses from scratch and from absolute zero. With our help, you'll be overnight success. Well, it's kind of too much. But yeah, it's actually pretty good. This course is one-stop guide for anyone who wants to create courses and be Udemy instructor. Here you will learn everything that you need to know. Well, exactly. Basically, it's a great course explanation or description. I'm gonna Command C this one and Command V here and ask the AI to write some more for me, maybe based on its own understanding. And yes, Udemy Instructor Guide is made for anyone who wants to be successful on Udemy. You will learn everything that you know from absolute zero. With this course, there are no excuses to create course that sells, awesome course that sells well. Perfect. We're gonna actually mix and match from this text. And you know what? Now we will need some more things, and in this case we want some bullet points. And you know what? We're gonna generate bullet points the same way. We're gonna press, we're gonna input product name Udemy Instructor, and we're gonna ask our dear AI to write for us. And yes, complete Udemy course creation from scratch, understand the best practices to Udemy course creation, learn how to market your courses. Well, we are not teaching this one, but still, generate high converting sales page on your Udemy courses, discover the secret of Udemy success, learn how to create a course from scratch. Basically, exactly that we need. It is giving you all that you need, and it's writing you just with a one click of a button. Only thing that I did need is to write initial description and just to write the product name. You know what we'll do? We're gonna actually input some more text. We're gonna actually select this one, but it's actually too large. We're gonna select this one. It's too large as well. We're gonna select this one, and let's try to make some more bullet points. I'm gonna input this one right here. It's actually not enough. It's actually pretty short description, but let's see if we can have something more. Yes, basically exactly all the bullet points that you need without you writing a single word. Well, with you writing some words, but as you can see, we can take all this text, and I have actually generated some text before that as well, and it has even more text like that, and I can just input it right here to generate an amazing sales page. And you can even choose a different use cases, like landing page, for example. You can go directly to the landing page for a website if you want, but in this case, we are not doing. You can even generate a reply to reviews right here. It will be an amazing thing, and you can even generate an SEO meta title and meta description, basically the same way that I actually told you. You know what? We can actually try to use the meta title to actually ask whether it can generate for us a course title or not. We're gonna input Udemy Creation. Then we can find other keywords like online course. And I think we can add one more, which will be, well, passive income maybe. If we have, well, we don't have. Well, you know what? Let's use this one. And let's see what meta titles the writer will actually generate for us. Udemy Course Creation, how to create an online course. This is exactly the title that we can use. This is a title that we can use exactly word for word, and it will work pretty fine for us. Or best Udemy Course Creation services. Now this won't work. Or create your course, this one, something like this will work as well, but this one will be the best title. You can see the writer can generate a lot of text for you, and it will work. It will create the miracles for you, and all you will need to do is just set up a course description right here, and that's you'll need. Basically, you're gonna compile all the text that you will learn right here, and you will basically have a finished product. And well, if you want to see the finished product, you can see the description of this course right now, and it's been all compiled with this text right here, and you can check it out and see whether you like it or not. The other things that we'll actually need to understand is we'll need to fill it out, that people often overlook, is intended learner's text. Actually fill it out completely, and you have actually three different places that you need to fill out. First is what students will learn. Be as thorough as possible, give it as many answers as possible, just give people understanding what they will learn without reading your description fully. This is the thing that people are actually reading, and give them full understanding what you are actually teaching. Write as many bullet points as possible, and be as thorough as possible. It is important, guys. It's very important. Use this 100% and fill it out completely. Next is all the requirements and prerequisites. If you do have, well, fill it out. If you don't have, just fill out and write the text none. For me, I don't have any prerequisites. You can create the course whatever you want. It's easy. All you need to do is have a mind of your own. That's it. And will to create the course. That's all that you need. So in my case, you don't have any prerequisites. And last is we'll use course 4. Basically, just describe your perfect audience. Basically, you are my perfect audience, and you will probably fall one of those things. Basically, you either want to generate income, or either you want to share your expertise, or maybe you want to transform your knowledge into video. That's basically one of those three. You probably fall one of those three, and that's why you're my ideal audience. So these are the things that you need to do in order to create a perfect landing page. One more thing that you will need also to take really close attention to is the basic info, and you need to make sure that you fill this out correctly. This is very important. Give exact explanation what your course topic is and what it covers, and choose the topics carefully, and write your primary topic exactly what it is, because you will be ranking for these topics, especially for your primary topic. And if you rank pretty high, you're going to be visible or very high in the primary topic tab. So be sure that you are filling this out correctly. And in the next lecture, we'll actually be covering the course image, and we'll also be covering promotional videos as well. I'm going to be explaining whether you actually need them or not, or how we can actually create the good promotional videos as well. So I'm going to see you in the next lecture, and yeah, take care.